guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Come Cook with Kay, and today you'll be learning how to cook, but with me. Click that subscribe button if you want to learn today.
Hey loves, today we are making taco samosas. We're gonna get our flour water mixture, our glue paste. We're gonna get this oil in the pan, put some minced garlic in the pan with the oil, and chop up some onions. Now we're gonna dice them up so we can have it in the mixture, and it'll be easier to manage that way. Put it in that pan, start frying them up. Then we're gonna season them with the taco seasoning. We're gonna season our onions and stuff with the taco seasoning, cause it just brings out the flavor, you know, even more. Like, you can never do too much. And we're gonna get our green peppers. We're gonna go clean them out, and then we're gonna dice the green peppers up. We're gonna dice the green peppers, and then until they look like this. And then we're gonna put it in a pan with the onions and seasoning it all. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna start putting our ground beef in the pan with everything, and we're gonna break it up. And here we go, start seasoning, taco seasoning. We're gonna use some garlic powder. Then we're gonna use some seasoning, paprika, onion powder. I also put salt and pepper in there. But you wanna season it up and break it up real nice until it look like this. But we're gonna go and drain the grease, because you don't want all that grease in your food. Then we're gonna put it back in a pan to let it cook a little bit more so we can make our mixture. We got our cream cheese. I used 2 blocks. It looked like 3 because I broke one of them in half, but it's only 2. We're gonna mix into well until it's almost like a dip. Mix. Then we're gonna start putting our cheese in there. Now you use whatever cheese. This is the taco blend cheese, and then I use some mozzarella cheese. But you wanna get it all cheesed up or whatever. Then we're gonna mix that. We're gonna mix until it's all mixed up and done. So it's gonna look like this, okay? And I'm gonna just put some more taco seasoning in there, you know, because I like my shit flavorful. And we're gonna mix it up some more. Then we're gonna get our tortilla, and I get the burrito style, and we're gonna get our flour and water mixture, put it around the edges. You cut them tortillas in half and start folding them just like this, okay, until it look like a cone. You wanna make sure everything is closed up. But then we're gonna start putting our meat in the cone that we just made. You don't want to put too much because then it won't be able to close, but you don't want to put too little to where you only eating the damn taco shell, okay? Then we're gonna put some more cheese in it, okay? And then we're just gonna start closing it. Now if it open up, you could just use the flour water mixture to seal up the cone. Then they look like this. Then we're gonna go fry them. Now I have my oil preheating already on medium, so they're gonna come out golden brown like this. Ooh. And we're gonna make Mexican style corn on the side with the paprika and this cheese like this. Yummy. Bye.